This is how to replace an LCD screen on an HP laptop G6 series. As you notice, the screen is broken. We're going to shut it off and remove the battery. Next, we're going to remove the two beauty covers, one on each corner by the hinge. These ones were a little tough to get off. Then you're going to replace the two screws that were underneath the beauty covers. We're going to lift the bezel from the glass side up. May need a little plastic pick to get into the corners. Once they get started, they usually pop right off. On this particular model, there was two screws on the rails and two screws at the top of the rails mounted to the back. They all have to come off. When pulling the screen out, make sure you're real careful. There's a cable that runs up to the camera glued to the back. Make sure you don't break the camera cable. Next, you got to pry up the little piece of plastic tape holding the cable down onto the connector. Once the tape is pried up, then you can gently unplug the connector off of the screen. There was one tough piece of tape on that one. Double check and make sure we got the right connectors. The screen is from screencountry.com. I never have a bad one. Now just gotta clip that back on, make sure it's securely in and the tape is securely fastened. Replace the two screws on each rail. Replace the two screws in the top of the rails to the back. Make sure your camera and stuff hasn't slipped back behind and it's up in the right spot. Next, you're going to want to remove the plastic coating that's covering the screen. Replace the bezel. When installing the bezel, make sure you push from the top or the outside edge. Do not push on the glass. You don't want to replace the screen again. Replace your two screws in the bezel. Double check the bottom. Replace the battery and test. And there we go, another perfect screen from screencountry.com. Don't forget to replace the two beauty covers. And there you go. Now you can go use your machine. Don't forget to look up screencountry.com.